This is the brand new FastCOLOUR large format printer from AM.CO.za with PrintExp control system and with LED UV inks that is on a level all of its own. With this printer, you can achieve 2D, 3D, and even embroidery printing. Take a look at this. Just look at how the print pops off the paper. But that's not all. This printer has the option of dedicated white and varnish inks as well, and can print in multiple layers to achieve the different printing effects. The varnish creates a glossy finish and becomes like a seal over the print for long-lasting wear and durability. And the double UV lights on the print heads enforce an instant cure. Watch this. On top of all of this printer shows off some interesting updates, such as motors on either side of the take-up roller, which creates greater and more even take-up action. A control panel on the left-hand side specifically for the suction bed, and the bed heater makes it much easier to operate. And by the way, the suction area is much wider as well. In fact, the feeding material is also much wider, so the entire feeding and suction action has been greatly improved. Now let's take a look at the main control panel. The alignment adjustment is much easier to do, and because it makes use of decimals, it is much more accurate as well. The cleaning mode comes in 3 options: light, normal, and strong. And the capping position, capping distance, and wiping distance is also much easier to set up, with precise control of the printer head movement. Oh, and in case of white paper jumping, there is an easy solution in the setup menu as well. This is next-gen printing at its best at affordable pricing, and you are welcome to come and take a look at it for yourself. Just call sales to book an appointment.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines for you, we fix machines for you, and we teach machines for you.